home button on your remote control. And now you've got the existing apps. You want to scroll across, you're looking for LG Content Store. There it is there. It could be somewhere else on yours. Click on LG Content Store. Okay, so LG Content Store, and we want the search app. So go into the search. I'm going to type in Arte space app. Search, and there it is there. So there's the details of the app, and now we can install. So that's installing there. There's the progress. Application has been installed, and now we can launch. We accept the cookies, and then we've got the usual choice of programs and categories, etc. Let's quit out of here. Yes, and now we go back to our app selection bar, and there's Arte there. I've gone into edit mode by holding the button, and now I can move Arte along. And now I can move now. We don't have now, so I can move that along, get it out of the way.